What it do, y'all? I know it's been a couple of days since I made a video. I just needed a little break. A lot been going on, trying to catch up with the school stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I was behind. Like I knew what I was doing, but I didn't know what I was doing. Then it's like I forgot, and then I didn't forget, and all of that type of stuff. So I just been trying to figure it out. But now I think I'm back at getting the swing of things, and just really comprehending the coding. And there was somebody who made a comment talking about I shouldn't be doing these type of videos or whatever the case is, that I need to focus and concentrate because ain't no way that I am familiar with the content and creating these type of videos. And I'm just here to tell you that, baby, you don't know what I understand and what I don't understand. You don't know when I'm recording these videos, and why would I record these videos while I'm in class throughout the day? Like, that doesn't make any type of sense. So never mind to that person or whatever the case is. Now, I will say that JavaScript is not for the weak, baby. You know what I'm saying? It's not. You really should understand. I guess it's like those few parts when it starts talking about functions, variables. Like I pretty much understand operations. I understand how to create the function, but it's a matter of what is it used for, as far as when it's talking about return and all of that. I think I kind of understand that now a little bit better than what I did before. At first, I was just like, ugh, math. Like, I literally was just trying to prevent from going into a program or a school that consisted of any type of math. But that's neither here or there. I feel like I understand that better. I understand the Booleans better, or whatever the case is. And now we are currently into arrays and objects and keys and objects. And it seemed like arrays is pretty simple. What's crazy is I was on Free Code Camp, and Free Code Camp actually started with that first, with the introduction to JavaScript. Compared to the program that I'm in, we didn't start directly out with arrays. So for me to learn arrays, I picked that up quickly, or whatever the case is. And then for the objects and keys, that seemed way more simpler than how you would originally create a function, return the function to get an answer, or to access data and all that. It just seemed way more simpler. I don't know if that makes sense. That's probably not even a word, but y'all get what the fuck I'm saying. Y'all get what the fuck I'm saying. It is currently 5 in the morning, and I am up. I've been up all night trying to really make sure that I grasp this content. I'm watching YouTube videos. I'm watching TikTok videos. I'm on Free Code Camp. I'm using ChatGPT. I'm talking about I'm all over the place. And anybody who's doing the same thing that I'm doing, you would know for a fact, like, this is facts. This is all truth, no lies. Like, no need to lie, whatever the case is. But yeah, I'm waiting on my computer to turn back on or whatever. I just got done doing a quiz. Now I'm finna go into another section of our module of class before we get into that today, so I can kind of be on point with our lectures. Listen, y'all, I don't like lectures. I don't like when somebody is just constantly yapping monotone all day. Not necessarily just monotone, but it's just at a steady pace. Like, it doesn't change. If we gonna be doing that, we need to get right into the work so I can know what the fuck I'm doing, get it done, get it out. Or whatever the case is. But yes, and I'm ready to get into HTML. I ain't gonna even hold y'all, because that's the most easiest language to learn. Like, I promise you, it's so easy. Like, when I was on Free Code Camp and I was doing HTML or whatever the case is, I'm talking about I was flying through it with no problem, baby. Like, it was nothing. Like, you couldn't tell me nothing. And I think we kind of getting into that now when it talks about the objects and keys and like creating buttons and trying to determine like what you want that button to do. And it's so crazy because I can explain the concept of the JavaScript shit. It's just certain points of JavaScript that just kind of flusters my brain, and it confuses me, and it throws me the complete fuck off, and it just be like, but now I think we're at a point where it's getting more simple and easy to understand, or whatever the case is. So my goal is to try to make it through this program, you guys. I hope you my plan is to make it through this program, and I hope that you guys follow me along on the journey. And let's hope that I make it to March 7th with a certificate or a certification. I want to say both, my brain all over the place, but let's hope I make it to March 7th with the certification as a SWE. And I'll keep y'all up to date on what the process is, what I'm doing, like what everything requires. Also, somebody asked me how long is the program. The program is 5 to 6 months. So max, I would say 6 months unless you're part-time. If you're part-time, then it's about 54 weeks or 45 weeks or something like that. So full-time is 24 weeks, and then part-time, I think it was like 45 weeks or something like that. So for those of you who want to know, and the name of the program is called App Academy. It's a boot camp where it teaches you every language that you need to know to prepare you for the career that you're trying to enter into, and it helps prep you for interviews at the end. It helps you with building projects and stuff like that, so you can have a portfolio to present to the person you're being interviewed by. All of those type of things. Like, you know, it's pretty what's the word, like, I can't even get my thoughts together, but they have a lot of resources, and it's pretty informative, and it's a super rigorous program. Anybody who's thinking of taking a fast route, this is not like accelerated college, like going to school to accelerate your degree. This is completely different. When I tell you getting in just to get out. You better catch on quick, because you might think y'all on week 0, day 1, and it feel like you on week 0, day 5, or week 1, day 2. Like, like, I thought we were still at the beginning. Like, what happened? Like, how did we even get this far? But yeah, so that's just the updates or whatever the case is. Sorry, look like I'm looking over here because I'm looking at myself and trying to maintain looking in the camera, so it looks like I'm looking at you guys. But either way it go, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's it. Peace out. Y'all got any questions, drop down in the comments below, and I'll see y'all later.